she's sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be y'all watching me install a frontal for the first time. This is actually the end result of it. I mean, like, it's cute, it's enough, okay? It's enough. Like, I know I have some crusty spots, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be looking like this, and all you're gonna see is this. And also, I want to let y'all know that the review for this hair is coming pretty soon. And I did not make this wig. Someone else made this wig and someone installed it. This is just me reinstalling it, touching it up, whatever you want to call it. So like I said, I'm not starting from scratch, but this is my first time actually installing a frontal. So I hope y'all enjoy, because I was frustrated. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all know right now that this is not a tutorial. I do not know how to lay a frontal whatsoever, so I just decided to apply this on camera. The girl that did my wig told me to do the stocking cap method. Y'all, this is my very first time doing anything like this, so y'all pray for me. Like, the lace is already cut. Like, she already cut the lace, she already did my baby hairs and everything. I'm just redoing it. And she said, cut out ear holes. Ouch! I cut my ear. If you're a wig connoisseur, please give me some pointers in the comments. I'd love it. I think it's dry. I think I'm gonna put another layer on there, because she said spray wherever you see the most hair. And I have a ton of baby hairs. Like, y'all see my hairline? Like, I have a ton of baby hairs, and like, my edges go down to my eyebrows. Ouch, this hurts so bad. Then I'm gonna cut this part off. Okay, girl. I look like I belong in a sci-fi film. Next thing she told me to do was take my foundation. This is the same foundation that I use on my face. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 340 and or cappuccino, if you prefer. Put this on a brush, and then she just kind of put it all over the wig cap. The next thing she did was she kind of sprayed this on my hair in order to keep the foundation from seeping into my scalp. Now it's time for the fun part. So what she did was she put the wig on me like this. I mean, not exactly like that. Then she pulled it down on each side. I feel like this is too far. Sweet baby Jesus. And the first thing she did it in sections, so she didn't glue it all down at once. I'm gonna spray right here. Y'all, I'm finna like burn up. I think I'm gonna have to change my shirt. Okay, so I know y'all are wondering, why does her lace look yellow? So my blow dryer gets so hot, and as you can see, the top of my forehead where I'm laying the frontal is getting really red. So after a few hours and the next day, you'll be able to see that my lace and my skin are in fact the same color. So as you can see, it's glued on. I got that part. I just need to clean it up. So I think I should have washed this before I decided to reapply the frontal, because I think my foundation is too light. The foundation, something is too light, or I don't know. That looks so much better, even though my forehead and my lace aren't the same color. So, oh my god, it's getting there. It's glued down. We got that part down. So now it's just a matter of placing my baby hairs where she had them before. So it looks like I already have some that was stuck to the wig before I took it off. So I think I'm just gonna put some Gorilla Snot on there and like remold it back, mold it again. Oh, my iPad died and I had to plug it back up, but nothing really good happened. I mean, I got me a little swoop-de swoop. I got a little swoop-de swoop going on here. I used some Gorilla Snot Sport in the purple bottle. This side actually looks pretty decent, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna have to spray some more got to be glued right here, just because this middle part is not staying. Woo! Here's one side. It actually doesn't look that bad. The baby hairs are covering up the fact that the foundation on my lace does not match my skin tone, so that's good. Okay, so it was late at night when I finished, and plus I had more stuff to do. So it is the next day, and this is what my frontal looks like. I mean, it's cute or whatever. But it's just enough. I'm gonna insert the video of when I had first got it installed, just comparison. But I feel like I did pretty good as far as like the baby hairs and stuff, because I do not do frontals. With my other wigs, I just throw them on. I don't glue nothing down. So for me to sit down and take the time is huge for me. So you come to the end of this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed I don't know, watching me stress out over trying to get this frontal stuck to my head. This was my very first time installing a frontal. Even though I had gotten it installed first, this was my first time actually sticking a frontal to my head. But even though she already did the prep work, this was, like I said, my first time actually sticking the frontal to my head. So I'm really proud of myself. So it looks good. It's good enough, okay? It's good enough. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.